I have some conflicting thoughts and views on the topic. So I've been a professional musician for a lot of years. So part of my heart is at research, at machine learning, at programming, etc. You know, like highly automated musical generative AI, which kind of defeats the purpose. So there's either what we would call autoregressive neural codec models, or there's this idea of diffusion models, which musicians are also like super tech savvy people. And there's like so many musicians, you know, among programmers. Like I'm sure that people who are listening to us right now, like many of them play some sort of instrument, right? It might be a weird thing, but like artists like getting paid for their work, which is not obvious to everybody. It seems it is difficult for the small artists, and like every big artist was a small artist at some point, right? It's a generative model for lullabies, and the guy trained it on like short melodic lullabies for children, and the guy trained it on his like 5 or 6 year old daughter.